Toss-up 1. Energy, multiple choice. What state has the largest geothermal power generation capacity? W. Arizona. X. California. Y. Idaho. Z. Utah. Answer. X. California. Bonus 1. Energy, short answer. What derived SI unit is used to measure electric potential? Answer. Volt. Toss-up 2. Life science, multiple choice. Which of the following is true of virus genomes? W. They are always composed of DNA. X. They are always circular. Y. They may be composed of either DNA or RNA. Z. They are diploid. Answer. Y. They may be composed of either DNA or RNA. Bonus 2. Life science, multiple choice. You are using a light microscope to look at cells stained with a dye that detects chromatin and can see densely colored regions that you recognize as chromosomes. Which of the following must be true? W. The cell is undergoing mitosis. X. The genome is diploid. Y. The genome is haploid. Z. The cell is in interphase. Answer. W. The cell is undergoing mitosis. Toss-up 3. Math, short answer. What is the area of a circle inscribed in a square of side 14? Answer, 49 pi. Bonus 3. Math, short answer. What is 3 over 7 divided by 8 over 21 divided by 15 over 4? Answer, 3 over 10. Toss-up 4. Physical science, multiple choice. Which of the following instruments does not primarily rely on a lens? W. Refracting telescope. X. Reflecting telescope. Y. Binocular. Z. Monocular. Answer. X. Reflecting telescope. Bonus 4. Physical science, short answer. What principle of fluid mechanics describes the buoyant force? Answer. Archimedes' principle. Toss-up 5. Life science, multiple choice. Which of the following magnifications is most appropriate for viewing bacteria through a light microscope? W. 5 times. X. 50 times. Y. 500 times. Z. 5,000 times. Answer. Why, 500 times. Bonus 5. Life science, multiple choice. After a signaling molecule binds to a receptor, what enzymes often set off a cascade of phosphorylation events? W. Kinases. X. Phosphatases. Y. Amylases. Z. Lipases. Answer. W. Kinases. Toss-up 6. Earth and space, multiple choice. Which of the following is the group of minerals formed when metals combine with a halogen element such as iodine, chlorine, bromine, or fluorine? W. Halides. X. Halites. Y. Tetrahalogens. Z. Halogens. Answer. W. Halides. Bonus 6. Earth and space, multiple choice. Hurricanes are rated by categories on what 5-point scale? W. Fujita scale. X. Richter scale. Y. Torino scale. Z. Saffir-Simpson scale. Answer. Z. Saffir-Simpson scale. Toss-up 7. Math, short answer. What is 50 to the third power? Answer, 125,000. Bonus 7. Math, short answer. What is the maximum possible number of intersection points of a circle and a rectangle? Answer, 8. Toss-up 8. Life science, multiple choice. Which of the following groups of organic compounds in the human body are the most diverse in size, shape, and function? W. Carbohydrates. X. Lipids. Y. Proteins. Z. Nucleic acids. Answer. Y. Proteins. Bonus 8. Life science, multiple choice. Which of the following is a sex-linked trait in humans? W. Eye color. X. Skin tone. Y. Color blindness. Z. Freckles. Answer. Y. Color blindness. Toss-up 9. Physical science, multiple choice. Which of the following is an example of a radiation detector? W. Geiger counter. X. Anemometer. Y. LCR meter. Z. Refractometer. Answer. W. Geiger counter. Bonus 9. Physical science, multiple choice. If an object experiences a change in its velocity, which of the following statements must be true about its acceleration? W. It is positive. X. It is negative. Y. It is non-zero. Z. It is constant. Answer. Y. It is non-zero. Toss-up 10. Math, multiple choice. For which of the following x values is x to the third power greater than or equal to x squared? W, -2. X, -1/2. Y, 1/2. Z, 2. Answer. Z, 2. Bonus 10. Math, short answer. Express the following in scientific notation rounded to two significant digits, the fraction with numerator 4.5 times 10 to the fifth power and denominator 3.5 times 10 to the power of -2. Answer, 1.3 times 10 to the seventh power. Toss-up 11. Energy, multiple choice. Commercially available photovoltaic cells are primarily made of what element? W. Germanium. X. Arsenic. Y. Carbon. Z. Silicon. Answer. Z. Silicon. Bonus 11. Energy, short answer. What non-renewable fuel source represents the largest percentage of U.S. energy consumption? Answer. Petroleum. Toss-up 12. Earth and space, multiple choice. The inshore marine environment, from the surface to the seafloor, where water depths do not exceed 200 meters, is known as which of the following? W. Oceanic zone. X. Neritic zone. Y. Intertidal zone. Z. Benthic zone. Answer. X. Neritic zone. Bonus 12. Earth and space, multiple choice. Which of the following lists of features is associated with a convergent plate boundary? W. Primarily shallow earthquakes, rifting, volcanic activity. X. Trench, primarily shallow earthquakes, volcanoes. Y. Hotspots, few earthquakes, trench. Z. Subduction, trench, volcanic activity, shallow to deep earthquakes. Answer. Z. Subduction, trench, volcanic activity, shallow to deep earthquakes. Toss-up 13. Life science, multiple choice. Which of the following plant phyla has the most extant species? W. Ginkgophyta. X. Coniferophyta. Y. Psilophyta. Z. Anthophyta. Answer. Z. Anthophyta. Bonus 13. Life science, multiple choice. Which of the following cytoskeletal components has the largest diameter? W. Intermediate filaments. X. Keratin filaments. Y. Microtubules. Z. Microfilaments. Answer. Y. Microtubules. Toss-up 14. Math, short answer. Increasing a number by 200% is equivalent to multiplying it by what number? Answer 3. Bonus 14. Math, short answer. Solve the following equation for x squared minus 7x minus 120 equals 0. Answer, -8, 15. Toss-up 15. Physical science, short answer. To two significant figures and in meters per second squared, what is the acceleration due to gravity near the Earth's surface? Answer, 9.8. Bonus 15. Physical science, multiple choice. Which of the following best illustrates the particle nature of light? W. Diffraction. X. Interference. Y. Polarization. Z. Photoelectric effect. Answer. Z. Photoelectric effect. Toss-up 16. Earth and space, short answer. What is the term for an object that is so massive that gravity prevents light from escaping it? Answer. Black hole. Bonus 16. Earth and space, short answer. What planet was not fully imaged until 2011 when it was visited by the Messenger spacecraft? Answer. Mercury. Toss-up 17. Physical science, short answer. What subatomic particle is composed of 2 up quarks and 1 down quark? Answer. Proton. Bonus 17. Physical science, multiple choice. Which of the following is not a base unit of measure in the metric system? W. Meter. X. Second. Y. Gram. Z. Ampere. Answer. Y. Gram. Toss-up, 18. Energy, multiple choice. Which industrial process is used to separate the many components of crude oil into useful petroleum products? W. Absorption. X. Membrane diffusion. Y. Refrigeration. Z. Distillation. Answer. Z. Distillation. Bonus, 18. Energy, multiple choice. Government agencies and utilities offer various incentives to encourage people to improve the energy efficiency of buildings and vehicles. Which of the following is not a typical incentive? W. Tax credits. X. Loans or loan guarantees. Y. Hardware installation. Z. Rebates. Answer. Y. Hardware installation. Toss-up, 19. Physical science, short answer. How many moles of hydrogen gas may be obtained from 1 mole of water? Answer, 1. Bonus, 19. Physical science, multiple choice. How many atoms of magnesium are present in 2 molecules of the compound Mg3N2? W, 2. X, 3. Y, 6. Z, 8. Answer. Y, 6. Toss-up, 20. Earth and space, multiple choice. Which of the following degree measures is closest to the angle of repose of cinders in a cinder cone volcano? W, 5. X, 10. Y, 20. Z, 30. Answer. Z, 30. Bonus, 20. Earth and space, multiple choice. Which of the following minerals has the same chemical composition as glass? W. Halite. X. Fluorite. Y. Pyrite. Z. Quartz. Answer. Z. Quartz. Toss-up, 21. Life science, short answer. What long, rope-like structure do some bacteria use to move around? Answer. Flagellum. Bonus, 21. Life science, short answer. A cell's surface protein pump stops working when ATP is not present. What is the type of transport these protein pumps carry out? Answer. Active transport. Toss-up, 22. Earth and space, short answer. Identify all of the following 3 planets that are considered Jovian. 1. Jupiter, 2. Uranus, 3. Saturn. Answer. All. Bonus, 22. Earth and space, short answer. Identify all of the following 3 minerals that are silicates. 1. Calcite, 2. Halite, 3. Muscovite. Answer, 3. Toss-up, 23. Math, short answer. Giving your answer as a decimal, what is the sum of the 3 numbers 2, 2/4, and 2/8? Answer, 2.75. Bonus, 23. Math, short answer. Simplify the fraction with numerator 1 minus square root 3 and denominator 1 plus square root 3. Answer, -2 plus square root 3.